Hey guys, welcome back to Five Nights at Freddy's. And today, Elena is joining the game, but she's just going to watch.
I gotta say that. Hello?
It's first night, 12 a.m. Let's go.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. I'm pretty scared.
Why? It didn't even start.
Scared or scared?
Start.
Oh. It's start?
No.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? I wanted to record a message for you to help you get settled in on your first night. I actually worked in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact, so I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll be fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first day, okay? Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life. Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage to property or person. Upon discovering that damage or death has occurred, a missing person report will be filed within 90 days or as soon as property and premises have been thoroughly cleaned and bleached and the carpets have been replaced. Blah, blah, blah. Now, that might sound bad, I know, but there's really nothing to worry about. The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No. If I were forced to sing those same stupid songs for 20 years and I never got a bath, I'd probably be a bit irritable at night too. So remember, these characters hold a special place in the hearts of children and we need to show them a little respect, right? Okay. So just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit. They're left in some kind of free roaming mode at night.
Why can't they
Something
just...
about their servos locking up if they get turned off for too long. They used to be allowed to walk around during the day too, but then there was the bite of 87.
Why can't you just turn them off?
It's amazing that the human body can live without the frontal lobe, you know? Now, concerning your safety, the only real risk to you as a night watchman here, if any, is the fact that these characters, if they happen to see you after hours, probably won't recognize you as a person. They'll most likely see you as a metal endoskeleton without its costume on. Now, since that's against the rules here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, they'll probably try to forcefully stuff you inside a Freddy Fazbear suit. Now, that wouldn't be so bad if the suits themselves weren't filled with crossbeams, wired, and animatronic devices, especially around the facial area. So you can imagine how having your head forcefully pressed inside one of those could cause a bit of discomfort and death. The only parts of you that would like to see the light of day again would be your eyeballs and teeth pop out the front of the mask. Yeah, they don't tell you these things when you sign up. But hey, first station of the breeze. I'll chat with you tomorrow. Check those cameras and remember to close the doors only if absolutely necessary. Gotta conserve power. Alright, good night.
How you get a respect for someone who wants to kill you?
I'm telling that to him as well. Oh, they are already moving. Where did Chica go? Okay, good that Chica isn't here, but where is Chica?
Maybe it's in your... Close the door!
No, not yet. I have to save some power because if I'm not going to save power, then I'm going to be screwed.
Okay, I'm scared now.
Stop. Stop.
Come on!
Music is bad.
If Chica is...
Bunny was right next to me. And Chica was right next to me as well. Oh my god. Good that I closed the doors. We would be screwed already. Okay,
Let's see where they are.
Bunny is still here. He's glitching himself off all the time. Like, oh, hello, I just left for sure. I'm not lying at all.
Come on.
Why can't he just leave us alone? He's still there, I know it. He's glitching himself off.
Like I'm not here. Open the door.
Where's Bunny?
I don't know.
He's glitching himself again, for sure. But
Don't.
now, we have to wait for Chica to get here.
No.
I'm already down to 48%.
I'm
And
scared
it's
now.
only 3 a.m. I'm not even up to... Okay, now I'm up to 4 a.m. Stop. Music is bad.
You better close the door.
Yep,
Ah!
now I have to...
Don't open.
Bunny, where even are you? Okay, Bunny is really, really far away. So 3, 2, 1. If he will be anywhere close, I'll just see it. I'm already down to 34%, and I have to close all of the doors. When I will be...
Close
No,
it.
not yet. I have to close the doors when I will go down to 9%.
Okay.
But not yet. I have to just check if Yep, Chica is still there. Okay. Turn on. Turn on, please. Why doesn't it work? There we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
I'm sorry.
It's 5 a.m. and we're already down to 24. We can't live this long. We're gonna die. I'm pretty sure we're going to die.
You can close the door, right?
Light. Bright light, please. Okay, Bunny is all the way there still. Okay, that's it. That's it. Already down to 15. And it's only 5 a.m. When I will go down to 10%, I have to close the door. 12.
Why don't
11.
you close the door now?
10. Okay, now we're screwed because when it's going to go all the way down to 0, then we don't have any power. So when we don't have any power, then these doors
7,
go up again.
8, 6, no, 5.
When it will go all the way down, then we're going to get a jump scare. Oh my god, so close and we won. Yes, suck it. Oh, I still... Well, suck it. I'm getting the hell out of here. Yeah. We did it. Okay, that's it for this episode of Elene and Saba Five Nights at Freddy's.
Okay, goodbye.